In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Stripe payout schedule. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account and business configuration options. After the Settings page opens, go to the Business Settings section. In that area, find and open Bank Accounts and Currencies. This is where Stripe lets you manage how your funds are transferred and which bank account receives your payouts. On that page, scroll until you see the Payout Schedule section. This is the area where you can decide when Stripe sends your available balance to your connected bank account. You will now choose between automatic payouts and manual payouts. If you select manual, Stripe will hold your available funds until you choose to send them yourself. This option gives you more direct control over when payouts happen. If you select automatic, Stripe will send payouts on a schedule that you choose. After selecting automatic, choose your preferred payout frequency. Depending on your account and region, you may see options such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the option that works best for your business. If Stripe asks for more scheduling details, choose the specific timing for those payouts. For a weekly schedule, select the day of the week when you want the payout to be sent. For a monthly schedule, select the day of the month. These settings help define exactly when your funds are transferred. Once you have made your selection, take a moment to review the payout schedule shown on the screen. Make sure the payout method and timing match what you want. This is important because it affects how often money is sent from Stripe to your bank account. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Stripe will update your settings and store your new payout preferences. After saving, confirm that the new payout schedule appears correctly in your payout settings. This final check helps make sure the update was applied successfully and that your account is now set to the payout timing you selected. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.